This is the A major chord. Hey guys, Tom Fontana here from TheGuitarLesson.com to teach you the A major chord. Now there are several ways to finger this chord. The way I usually do it is to use my second finger on the second fret of the D string. The ring finger goes below that and the pinky goes right below that onto the second fret of the B string. And we'll be strumming 5 strings for this one, so strings 1 through 5 from the A string. Now when you learn a chord, you want to make sure that all the strings are ringing out clearly, so you'll want to pluck them one by one. And if there are any dead notes or any fret buzz, then you'll just want to make sure that you're fingering everything correctly. So you're arching your fingers, you're not laying them down, you're arching them, and that your pinky is not touching the top string, for example, because that could deaden that string. Now let's memorize this chord shape with the chord on-off technique. So form your chord, strum it once, mute, take your fingers off, wiggle it, and then back. This really helps in building muscle memory in your hands. Now another way to finger this chord is to put your first finger on the second fret of the G string. Your ring finger, your middle finger goes on the second fret of the D, and your ring finger goes on the second fret of the B. And again, you'll strum strings 1 through 5. And this is a bit more convenient for people with bigger fingers, since your fingers aren't stacked up into one fret. Some people actually play it like this, so with the first finger on the second fret of the D and the other fingers lining up below that. But I don't find that too comfortable. I think my fingers are too big for that. So as I said, I usually go with this shape, especially if I'm going to be changing into an E, for example, because it's easy to shape into an E from there, or this shape. And from here, it's actually very easy to change into a D, because you just need to move your second and ring finger over a bit. Now if you got that fingering down, it's time to start making music with the A major. So let's have it go at 2 chord progressions. First we'll have a 1-4-5 chord progression. So since we're in the key of A major, the one chord will be the A major, of course. The 4 chord in this key is the D. The 5 chord is the E major. And the strumming pattern will be the basic down, down, up, up, down, up. Now let's have a look at the chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try a second chord progression. This is another classic, the 1-5-6-4. So the 1 chord will be the A major, of course. The 5 chord is the E. The 6 chord is a bar chord, the F sharp minor. And then you have your D as the 4 chord, and then it all repeats. So let's have a look at the whole chord progression with the strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's how you play the A major chord.